Hi folks, I'm at the Bank of England Museum. Last time I was here to crack the safe, I did a little too fast, but you have to do it fast if you want to get the safe open. This time I'll try to slow it down and explain what I'm doing so you can have a go, right? Right, so to open up the safe here at the Bank of England Museum, you're going to have to read a lot of the information around here and answer the question, and eventually you'll get your combination code. Look, the questions do change. Like, it's been about 2 years since I did this last, so it's a case of just double checking that the numbers are all right. Now you have to follow all the instructions very carefully here. If you take a little too long doing it, the combinations do reset itself, so you're going to have to be fast. Even though it says to turn the dial 4 times, I tend to just rotate it several times and get it set on the first number before I get it going. So go 10 and rotate 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 2. Let's go. It's open. All right.